it's a video. It's a front face video. Up. Better be nice. Be nice.
SpongeBob, your story has touched me. Believe it or not, I was 5 years old.
What? What did you say? What did you say?
What happened to the dollar, Mr. Krabs?
And one day, at the beach, it was so hot.
What did you say?
I was so thirsty. I spent it on a soda.
It's Friday. Got it done Friday. Looking forward to the weekend. It's Friday. What is that? Is it poop? Is it poop? Can I eat it?
No, I said go.
Ah! Oh! Oh! That tastes really bad.
Yeah. Ew.
I know it's hard for you to understand, but Mr. Krabs is right.
You should taste it. Lick it. Lick it. Just one time.
Just get stupid, dumb animal.
Can I lick it?
Yeah.
Ah! You do it. No, you do it.
Yeah.
You do it, then I'll do it.
A horsing.
You do it, then I'll do it.
A horsing.
She's free.
Oma.
I don't wanna.
From its natural habitat.
Ah, I bit it. Did it get you? Oh, it tastes really bad. It's really bad. You taste it. Did I get you? I already did it once. I did it twice. 3 times. You taste it.
No.
Yes. I got you.
No.
Does it taste good?
No.
No.
That's a big box.
Okay, bye-bye.
Still popping?
30 more seconds, Patrick.
Hey! You be nice.